Hindi, videoin ini. Kapat mo?
5.
Court is now in session. Call the cases.
For pre-trial conference, criminal case number 4444-000, People of the Philippines versus Beltran to the crime of kidnapping. Appearance for prosecution and the defense. Your Honor, I am Attorney Michelle Mahaka, appearing as a private prosecutor under the direct control and supervision of Public Prosecutor Rana, Your Honor. Your Honor, I am Attorney Elizabeth Canyara, appearing as defense counsel of the accused Rana, Your Honor.
Is the accused present in the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the complainant present here in the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright. Is there a possibility of plea bargaining in this case? Is the accused willing to plead a lesser offense?
If the prosecution will agree, Your Honor,
Prosecutor Mecca, is the private complainant amenable to the proposal of the defense for plea of a lower offense?
No, Your Honor, the prosecutor is not going to accept the proposal to plead for lower offense.
Right. Now, counsel of the accused admit the following facts in the hearing in the pre-trial case of this prosecution. Thus, the accused admit to be the same or maltratted that the person being accused to allegedly kidnap private complainant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thus, the accused admit that he is the godson in a wedding as claimed as private complainant.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thus, the accused admits that he extorted money in the amount of 300,000 pesos from private complainant. Thus, the accused admits that he forced me to go with him by pointing a gun at her.
No, Your Honor.
Thus, the accused admits the jurisdiction of this court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please take note of these stipulations for the court. Does the prosecution have any comments?
No, Your Honor.
Now we proceed to the evidence and witnesses to be presented by both parties. Prosecution counsel may start.
I have here with me, Your Honor, documentary and object evidences, which I move to be marked as Exhibit 1 to Exhibit 8A. Your Honor, Exhibit 1 is a police incident report to prove the incident of kidnapping on March 14, 2024 at the private complainant herself hostage until he was able to escape into Magallanes City as evidence by the police incident report. Exhibit 2. Your Honor, is the judicial affidavit of complainant to prove that private complainant was abducted by accused and to show the incidence of extortion of money in exchange for her release. Your Honor, we also respectfully request that the name and signature of Alicia A. Abanelga appear be marked as our Exhibit 5A.
Public Heart.
Exhibit 6, Your Honor, is the judicial affidavit of our third and last witness, Linda L. Santos, aka Inday, to prove that private complainant was abducted by the accused and to show the incident of extortion of money in exchange for her release. Your Honor, we also respectfully request that the name and signature of Linda L. Santos appearing on the last page of the document be marked as our Exhibit 6A.
Any further comments, counsel?
Just for the record, Your Honor, I have 3 witnesses.
Your Honor, we would like to manifest a reservation for cross-examination of the private complainant and the 3 witnesses.
Please, clerk of the court, please take note. Are there any additional exhibits and witnesses to be presented? Prosecution counsel?
None, Your Honor.
Counsel for the defense, please proceed with your evidence and witness to be presented.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have reviewed the judicial affidavit of the accused, Exhibit 1, to prove that there was no kidnapping and that the private complainant voluntarily accompanied the accused, being the Nina in his wedding. Your Honor, we also respectfully request that the name and signature of the memorandum appearing in the last page of the document be marked as Exhibit 1A.
Public Heart.
Exhibit 2, Your Honor, is the judicial affidavit of Ana Turan as her second witness to corroborate the testimony of the accused that they asked the financial assistance to the private complainant and that no extortion was made by him. Your Honor, we also respectfully request that the name and signature of Ana Turan seen in the last page of the document be marked as her Exhibit 2A.
Public Heart. Are there any additional exhibits and witness to be presented? Defense counsel?
Just to save Your